Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And to begin, all you need to do is just hold your power button. There we go. Select power off. I want to point out that when you hold your power button and you have the AI seal or whatever it is here enabled, it will show up, but you just want to continue holding this power button, and eventually, even though you have the AI overlay, it will show up with the power options over the top of that. And from there, like I just did, select the power off option. Once the device is off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. And let go of the power button when you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Now with my hands I'm just kind of like bracing the device so it doesn't go, sliding off. Anyway, in here you want to select clear data and then select factory reset. Now this has a protection which just forces you to type in the word yes. Oops. You want to do it slowly as this keyboard is very slow, so if you type it too quickly it just doesn't register half of the inputs. Anyway, once you type in yes, you can then select factory reset. As you can see, it then begins resetting your device. Give it a second and it should be right about done. Come on. There we go. So from here we're going to select back and then restart. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Camera, please stop. Keep focus. There you go. So I'm holding my hand just because the camera continuously refuses to keep focus on this matte display for some reason. Now this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, maybe a little bit less. And once it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.